Another thing you talk about, and you hear a lot in the mainstream media, is this idea of scientific consensus, right? There is a consensus, or whatever the statistic, 99 out of 100 scientists believe that climate change is an existential whatever. And well, it's hard to argue with 99%, right? To an outside observer, again, you go, well, there must be a problem. 99% say it, right? Where does this consensus come from?
So there was
this consensus. Sorry.
So what is the consensus? Yeah. So there was, the origin of it, at least quantitatively, with the 99, 97, was a paper that was published some years ago in which they did a survey of the literature and looked at, 10,000 papers and reported back 97% of climate scientists agree. The problem is two things. One is the survey methodology was terribly flawed. It's been roundly debunked in peer-reviewed papers published subsequently. Basically, most of the papers didn't take a stance one way or the other. Some, I don't remember how many, 10% said something, and even then, those 10% were not clear. So it's a pretty small sample. But more fundamentally, when people say the 97% number, they don't say what people agree or disagree about, okay? Is the climate changing? I'm on that. I absolutely agree with that. Are humans exerting an influence on that through growing greenhouse gas concentrations? Yeah, absolutely. Is it going to be a disaster? I don't think so, because that's what the assessment reports say. It's not going to be a disaster. All right. So in that sense, I'm a consensus scientist because I believe almost everything that's in the consensus reports. And that's what's in the book. So not a denier at all. Just maybe somebody who reads the reports, actually, as opposed to just mouthing some slogans.